Welcome to this MachineBuilder quick tips video on using the comments feature. The comments tool can be opened by clicking the speech bubble icon in the top navigation bar. Add a new comment by clicking on the add comment icon, typing out your message, and clicking submit to publish. All comments are automatically timestamped and include the author's name. When creating a new comment, you can pin it to a component within your design, optionally adjusting the pin's color for visibility. When you click the pinned comment, it will adjust the camera view to where the pin was placed. It is possible to edit or delete the comment by using the drop-down arrow on the right side. You can reply to comments using the available text window at the bottom. Each reply is timestamped and threaded under the original comment. Once the issue is complete, the comment creator can mark it as resolved. All of the closed comments move to the Resolved tab, which can be reopened if required.